Bolzoni, one of the worldwide leading manufacturers of lift truck attachments, forks, and lifting tables. The headquarters of Bolzoni is located in Piacenza, Italy. The group was founded in 1945. With over 70 years, the Bolzoni Group has devoted itself to the design, production, and distribution of forklift truck attachments and industrial material handling equipment. It has 20 branches globally, with over 900 employees and with dealers available around the globe, holding a leading position in the market. Currently, Bolzoni has built 2 plants in China: Bolzoni Oramo, Wuxi Forklift Truck Attachment Company Limited, and Bolzoni Hebei Forks Manufacturing Company Limited. Professional production base of forklift forks. Bolzoni Hebei Forks Manufacturing Company Limited is located at Longhua Town, Jing County, Hebei Province, North China. Well known as the production base of forks, it is convenient transportation. Initially built in 2011, Bolzoni Hebei Forks Manufacturing Company Limited has invested over 30 million yuan RMB to set up another 2 advanced rolled bar forks production lines in 2016. The annual capacity increases from 100,000 to 400,000 forks, 3 times more. The new production lines enable us to make very big forks. The technique is also improved greatly. All the forks are widely accepted across the mainland China, Asia, Europe, and America. Diversified products and advanced technique. Bolzoni Hebei Forks Manufacturing Company Limited utilizes the internationally advanced automatic rolled bar fork production lines to produce a wide range of forks, including hook-type forks, shaft-type forks, spark-retardant forks, stainless steel clad forks, carpet booms, fork extensions, folding forks, and block forks, etc. The main processes include saw cut, flame cut, tip cut, stamping, bending, welding, heat treatment, shot blast, pairing, flaw detection, painting, pin kit assembly, packing, internal and external refinement and management enhancement. Bolzoni Hebei Forks Manufacturing Company Limited comprehensively enhances the control and management to improve the product performance and customer satisfaction. The rolled bars special for forks are selected to make sure the stability and reliability of the product performance. The key processes, welding and heat treatment, are controlled automatically to reduce the fluctuation of the quality and to improve the production efficiency. The quality test system and the test equipment are complete, including hardness tester, welding section tester, and microscopic examinator and fatigue tester, fork online test, and 100% final test to make sure all the fork shipped is qualified 100%. With the rapid development of the world's logistics industry, by learning the preciseness of European enterprises, Bolzoni Hebei Forks Manufacturing Company Limited builds the internal competence, constantly strengthens the internal management, draws on the strong points of others, takes active actions to be ahead, and strive to solidify Bolzoni Group the leading position in the forks production base in China, and devotes more for the logistic equipment industry in China and the world.